You're welcome back to the channel.
Hey everyone, I've got 500 lifetime Canva Pro accounts up for grabs for free, but here's the catch. Salut tout le monde. J'ai 500 comptes Canva Pro à vie à offrir gratuitement, mais voici le hic.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to translate any video into any language of your choice. Now, the name of the software is called HeyGen. HeyGen. So go to your Google Chrome and type HeyGen and then create an account. Now, there are so many things you can do once you've created an account, right? So if you check down here, you can convert photo to a video with avatar. You can create a video, you can translate a video, and you can change PDF to a video. But what we're going to be focusing on right now is to translate a video into any language of your choice. So I'll go ahead and click on translate a video, and we'll wait for it to load up. Very good. So once we're here, there are two options that we are going to use. It's either you upload a video that is inside your computer system or your handset or your phone, or you will input the video URL or the video link, and then you wait for the magic to happen. So for me, I'm going to be using the video URL. Now once you select the video URL, you are going to be asked to paste in the link to that video, and you can paste a video between 1 second and 3 minutes. So I'll go ahead and copy a video link, and then I'll go back to HeyGen and I will paste this link right here. Then I'll click here to verify the video. It says video detected successfully. Now I'll go ahead and click on create new translation. Now once you've clicked on create new translation, there are some settings that you must go through before you can finally translate your video. Now they say the original language of your video, if you want, you can leave it at auto detect. If you don't want, you can choose the language of the video that is the original video. You've inputted the link here. So I'll choose English, and then they say choose the targeted language. That is the language you want to translate to. So I will click here, and then you select any language of your choice. For me, I'm going to be selecting French. And then how many speakers are in this particular video. So you can go ahead and select it. For me, it's just one speaker, so I'll leave it at auto detect. Now the brand voice, we click on it, you leave it at that. They say translate audio only with no lip sync, include captions. So if you want to translate your video with no lip sync, don't tick this box. But if you want your mouth to be going in line with what your new translated video is saying, go ahead and tick this box. Sorry, what did I say? Okay, let's read it again. Translate audio only with no lip sync. So if you tick this box, it means that when your video is translated, what the video is saying will not be going in line with what the lips of the person is saying. All right, but then I want what the video is saying to go in line, in sync with what the lips of the person in this video is saying. So I'll go ahead and then I'll check it. So I will leave, forget about include the captions. I'll leave it this. I don't want captions. And they say we will translate the first 3 minutes of your video. Now if you want to go higher, they say upgrade your plan to translate the full video. So that is that about it. So once you are comfortable with everything here, you will go ahead and click on submit translation, and then it's going to take about 2 to 3 minutes for it to complete. So you have to be patient. You just have to be patient. And if you're using a free account, you are going to be in queue for some few seconds, and then your video is going to start processing. So if you like what you are seeing, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit that like button so that you'll be notified immediately I'm dropping a video. Also, don't forget to share this video so that more people can see it.